Good morning. It's Wednesday, July 22nd, and here's your setup before the market opens. We'll cover the overnight global cues, the stocks and sectors in focus, the big results due today, and the key Nifty levels to watch. One important note up front, this is a watch list and a setup, not a prediction of which stocks will go up. It's information, not investment advice. First, the overnight cues, and they're positive. Wall Street rallied and snapped the three-day losing streak. The tech-heavy Nasdaq jumped 1.3% as semiconductor stocks surged. The Dow rose 0.74%, helped by earnings beats, 3M up 7%, General Motors up 5%. Gift Nifty was trading around 24,100. Combined with that strong US close, it points to a firm to positive open for our market. The tech strength is a tailwind for Indian IT after its recent weakness. But one thing hasn't changed, Brent crude near $90 remains the key risk to watch. Now, the stocks and sectors in focus at the open. First, IT. With the Nasdaq up 1.3% overnight, TCS, Infosys, and the IT pack could see a tailwind after their recent weakness. Second, autos. TVS Motor posted an all-time high quarterly profit and its stock jumped 6%. Bajaj Auto's profit rose 46%. Watch the whole auto ecosystem react. Third, the oil marketing companies, BPCL and HPCL, both report today, and with crude near $90, their marketing margins are under the spotlight. Fourth, financials. IndusInd Bank reports today, closely watched after HDFC and Axis margin misses hit the sector. Bandhan Bank and M&M Financial both beat yesterday. Today is another huge earnings day, over 54 companies report. Here are the big ones. IndusInd Bank, likely the day's most important result. After HDFC and Axis missed on margins, the market wants to see if the private bank stress is spreading. Nestle India and United Spirits, FMCG bellwethers. Watch volume growth and rural demand. Dr. Reddy's and SRF, Pharma, especially after Sapla's weekday, and SRF for a read on chemicals. And the high beta names, Adani Power, Adani Green, and Eternal, the company behind Zomato. These can move sharply on their numbers. Others reporting include Tata Communications, JSW Energy, and Nippon Life AMC. So what's the overall setup? It's a tug of war. On the headline side, Brent crude near $90 on Middle East tension, the Nifty falling 2 days in a row, and foreign investors selling. On the tailwind side, a strong US close with the Nasdaq up 1.3% lifting IT, positive market breadth with mid-caps in the green, and the Nifty still holding key support. For levels, watch support at 24,050 to 24,100 and resistance at 24,300 to 350. The outlook is sideways to bullish, with the range between 24,050 and 24,350. Finally, 5 things to remember as the market opens. 1. This is a watch list and a setup, not a prediction of which stocks will rise. Nobody can promise that. 2. Gift Nifty points to a firm open, but let the first 15 minutes settle before acting on any gap. 3. Keep the Nifty range in mind, around 24,050 as support, 24,350 as resistance. 4. With so many earnings today, expect sharp single stock moves. Always use a stop loss. 5. The two swing factors today are crude near $90 and how IT reacts to that strong Nasdaq lead. July 22nd, pre-market at a glance. US markets rose, Nasdaq up 1.3%, Dow up 0.7%, a tech tailwind. GIFT Nifty points to a firm to positive open. In focus, IT on the US boost, autos on earnings, and the oil marketing companies on crude. Today's big results: IndusInd Bank, Nestle, Dr. Reddy's, BPCL, and the Adani Pack. And the levels: Nifty support near 24,050, resistance near 24,350. Remember, this is a watch list, not a forecast. Trade the reaction, not the prediction. This information is aggregated from public sources, for analysis only, not investment advice. Have a great trading day, and thanks for watching.